Somewhere in the fog I heard her cry. It kept me up for hours, haunts me every night. Screaming through my veins, the fire spreads. Fill me up with poison, dark clouds overhead, I'm soaking wet. I'm hurt you didn't know. But there's no pretty way to tell you so. I'm tired, so tired I'm letting go. I've been burning flags to let you know. Time is up, time has flown. Time has flown. Here she comes, she lays beside my head. She holds me through my winter in this awful bed. Softly in my ear she casts her spell. Fuck this cursed cancer, send it straight to hell. She knows me well. I'm hurt, this body's wearing thin. A beautiful mistake I'm living in. I'm tired, sometimes I fantasize. They push me out to sea, coins on my eyes. Family, friends, say goodbye. Say goodbye. I'm hurt, not hurt enough to die. See, I was born to rage, born to fight. I'm tired, not tired enough to sleep. So devil on my chest, don't sing to me or take my breath, let me be.